there my sparkles. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to show you all what I got from Magic Collection. And I love this company, and you can find their some of their products at their hair stores, or in the hair stores you go to. Their products will probably most likely be in there. And I'm so excited to order stuff from their website, because I've purchased some of their products from hair stores, but I just never order online. So I was so excited to go to their website and order online. And I have my box right here, and I already opened the box, but I haven't opened the products or anything like that. So let's unbox these products together. And so if y'all want to see what I purchased from Magic Collection, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's get into the products. I'm so excited. I'm just going to take this paper over here. Oh, they gave me a little card. It says, "Thank you for your order. Enjoy free gift. Feel free to follow us and tag us at the Magic Collection 1984." And that's their Instagram. And yeah, so that's so nice. Go check them out on Instagram. I will leave their name on the screen right here so you can check them out. And I'm so excited. And also I'll leave the website up here as well, so you can go check them out. Okay, so the first thing I got, I'm so excited. Let me put this box down right here. So the first product that I got the edge scarf, and it looks like this. It is so pretty. I've never purchased an edge scarf before, so I'm so excited to use it. And this is what it look like on the back. Really cute. And you just have this for your edges, and you can just lay down your edges. You just smooth your edges to the front, and then just put this scarf on and lay down your edges. And I think it's going to be so awesome. I'm so excited to use this. And this is in the color black, and it says on here edge scarf. This is the laying down edge scarf. Yeah, so that's so nice. And it says on here edge effect. So this is really cute. So excited to wear this. And I have on the back of how to use this scarf as well. And also I decided to get another one, but this is the pink leopard edge scarf. So I thought it was so cute, and I love any kind of print, any kind of leopard print, cheetah print. It's always so nice. So I got that. These two right here. Super excited to wear them to lay down my edges, my hairstyle. And let's see. What else I got? Alright, so also I got a satin bonnet, and this is awesome for whenever you're going to sleep and you always put your bonnet on. That's what I do. So yeah, I just wanted to give me a bonnet, and it's always good to have bonnets. And so I got my grandma this satin sleep cap, and she loves satin sleep cap, so I got her one. And so yeah, I got these two. It's awesome. So excited about these. I got some butterfly clips, and I'm so excited because any of my 90s kids knows these were so awesome back in the 90s. Everybody loved butterfly clips, so I was like, you know what, I am so excited to get these, and I'm going to be rocking these butterfly clips. So you might see these in an upcoming video anytime soon. You will see it, so definitely look out for that. And I'm so excited to have these butterfly clips, and they bring back so many memories. And also I just love the color, different color butterfly clips, and the black ones. I used to wear these all the time, and I'm just so excited to have these and wear them. And here are the butterfly clips. So pretty. here are the multicolor clips. Really pretty. It just definitely brings me back to my childhood, my 90s kids. Us 90s kids, it definitely brings back our childhood. So excited to wear these. So I'll show you the next thing I got. These are so cute. Okay, so I got me some hair pins, and I think they're so cute. This one says Glam on here, and this is what it looks like. So nice. And I love how I just say glam, because I love glam, and it's so pretty, and I'm just so excited to wear these. Because you know I love glam. Anything glam is so cute. And also I got this one says love, and I love love, and it's so cute. This is what it looks like. So pretty. And I love how they put, like, you know, letters like this and just in all like silver, and it's so cute. And the other pins right here is so nice. And I got this in the color silver, and I think it's so cute, and I'm just so excited to have these, and I'm just so excited to style my hair with these pins, and I think they're so cute, and cannot wait to wear these. But I got the Magic Collection. This is the Precious Curl Spiral Rods 1/2 inch, and these are these rods. It says create beautiful natural curls with magic spiral rods. So I'm so excited because I've heard of these before. I just never tried the spiral rods before. I know they're going to be so nice to use my hair, so I'm so excited. And this is what it looks like on the front, and the back, on the side of it. Because I love having my hair curly, and you know, it's always, and I love my hair straight as well, but I love to always, you know, have curls in my hair as well. So it's always fun, and yeah, so excited to, you know, have some curls, and I'm so excited to have these rods so I can, you know, make my curls and have my curls in, and I'm just so excited to use these. So excited. They gave me free gifts, and I'm so excited. Okay, this is on here, enjoy free gift, and let's see. I'm gonna take this out. This is the Magic Edge Effect, and it's professional edge control gel. It's Scream Whole. Ooh, that's really nice. I'm so excited. They, you know, gave me these free gifts. That's really nice of them. I'm so excited to use this. I love edge, you know, gel, and they're so nice, and it holds your edges down, and I'm so excited to use this. And it says on here as well that it's a Scream Hold, so you know it will definitely hold your edges down so nicely, and I'm so excited to use that with my edge scarf. It's gonna look so nice. And also they gave me this pretty comb. Oh, that's really cute. I love how they put on here free gift on this one as well. I had free gift on here, but it's a really pretty comb, and it's got glitter in it, like pink glitter. That's really cute. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that. I love sparkles, and I'm just so happy they gave me this with glitter, sparkles, so pretty. I love this comb. Cannot wait to use this. Okay. And that is all that I got from Magic Collection, and I love all the products that I got, and definitely go check them out. And like I said, I will leave their Instagram and their website on the screen. So you can definitely go check them out and let them know that Zelma Sparkle 92 sent you. And on my Instagram is officialzd16. I know you all will enjoy their hair products. They make awesome hair products. And yeah, so I'm so excited to use these products. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and then turn on your post notifications bell so you all will be notified whenever I upload another video. And I will see you all in my next video. Alright, love y'all. Bye.